In a marked intensification of the Israel-Hamas conflict, the Iran-backed Houthis have captured 11 of the United Nations personnel working in Yemen in the past 3 days. The news has been confirmed by the UN spokesperson Stephane Dujarric, who sought the safe and unconditional release of its staff. The significant escalation unfolded as the Middle East conflict reached its 9th month, sparking fears that even UN personnel and humanitarian workers committed to saving lives are becoming targets. Meanwhile, the United Nations questioned why the UN staff consisting of 2 women and 9 men workers were seized, seeking clarification from the Yemen-based terrorist group, which is backing the Hamas terrorists in its war against Israel. Notably, the detained workers belong to 5 different UN agencies and the UN envoy for Yemen. Condemning the development in the matter, United Nations spokesperson Dujarric stated that the international organization is currently seeking access to its staff and is pursuing all available means to secure their safe return. Ever since the war in the Middle East region ignited, the Houthis have attacked numerous ships in the Red Sea, jeopardizing the maritime security in the region. Nonetheless, the latest update is a significant escalation in their terrorist activities. The homes and offices of the United Nations workers were raided by what the Yemeni terror group claimed to be its intelligence officers. Subsequently, Houthis confiscated the phones and computers of these UN aid workers and were later taken hostages. Although the United States and British military forces have come together to prevent Houthis from undermining maritime security, they have failed miserably. Over the last 2 days, the US military's Central Command has stated that the Houthis launched 4 anti-ship ballistic missiles that caused no damage. In retaliation, the US forces destroyed 2 missiles, 5 drones, and 1 patrol boat possessed by the Houthi terror group.